So, yung ginawa natin sa object natin, in-stretch or in-press natin. The outside diameter is 60 mm and the inner diameter is 40 mm. Mga subject yung topic natin, so state lang yan.
This is Sir Janir AJ, and welcome to Chapter 3 of Strength of Materials.
Now, ito, yung shaft natin dito consists of different diameters. And then, meron tayong mga torques applied at different points. No? So, ano yung gagawin natin dito? So, same sa ginawa natin sa axial loading, putol-putulin natin. No? So, ayan. Di ba yung example natin sa axial, yung sa chapter 2, if kung i-stretch natin yung material, and then, di ba yung drawing ng brittle material kapag nilagyan natin ng axial load is nagbe-break siya ng straight. So, kung straight siya, ibig sabihin, the stress that contributes the most sa pag-break ng material is caused by normal stresses. No? So, dito naman, sa ano natin, sa twisting natin, kapag i-twist natin yung material, say for example, brittle material, ayan, ito yung result, naging 45. Kung 45 yan, ibig sabihin that the stress that contributes most to the breaking of the material is caused by the shearing stress. Kasi di ba makikita natin sa formula na to, kailan magiging maximum yung theta natin? Ay yung shearing stress natin dito when theta is 90. No? So 90. So kung 90 degrees to, ayan, ibig sabihin ito yung na-contribute ng pinakamalaki sa breaking ng material. So sa brittle natin, naka 45 man. Kung makikita nyo dito, yung shearing stress natin is maximum when theta is 45. No? So this theta here is actually the plane natin dito, no? Ano yung angle natin dito? Ayan, this is at 45. So since yung brittle material breaks at 45 degrees, the shearing stress that contributes the most to its breaking is, the stress that contributes the most to the breaking is the shearing stress, no? So ayan. So example nito is yung sa chalk, kung i-try nyo lang, i-twist yung chalk, ito yung result. Kasi chalk is a brittle material. Ayan. Let's have this example. No? Anong meron dito? Shaft BC is hollow with inner and outer diameters of 90 mm and 120 mm. Oh, shaft BC. Wait lang. Ito. Ito daw, yung shaft natin dito, hollow. Dito siya solid and then solid. And then yung setup natin dito is naglagay tayo ng mga torque at different points. Ang tanong, find the maximum and minimum shearing stress in shaft BC. So sa shaft BC natin, hollow, saan yung maximum? Outer. Saan yung minimum? Inner. So ayan lang, no? And then sa B, the required diameter of the shaft D of shafts AB and CD if the allowable shearing stress is in these shafts is 65 MPa. So ito siya, hindi natin alam yung diameter. And also here. Yung alam natin na diameter is ito, 120. And we know it's hollow. No? So ano yung gagawin natin dyan? Sige, sulat natin. D2 here is 120 mm. D1 here is, given ba yung D1? 90, no? Okay, we have 90 mm. Yung condition is, the allowable shearing stress is 65 MPa. So sige, sa letter A, ano daw yung hahanapin? The tau max and the tau min. So tau max, ano yung formula? We have TC over J. So sige, sulat lang natin. Tau max hindi. The maximum and minimum shearing stress in the shaft. Yan yung hinahanap. No? Maximum and minimum shearing stress. Itong 65 is dito yan sa AB at saka sa CD natin. Okay? So ayan. So ano yung torque? Ano yung torque dito? Di ba, i-cut natin yung portion na to. Take note din, isang technique sa pagkuha ng torque, kung positive or negative is, if, for example, i-cut natin to, dito. Pag-cut natin dito, parang ganyan yan, no? Yung torque niya papunta dito. So, yung internal torque dito should be opposite, no? So, kung ito siya is, we have 6, ito siya is 6 din dito. And then, yung rotation niya is papunta doon, papunta sa negative x-axis. So, ibig sabihin, negative yung torque natin, no? Kung pag ganito yung internal, gawin natin positive doon, no? So, ito naman, hindi pa needed kung positive or negative, no? So, kung ito, i-cut natin dito, yung matitira is, ayan na lang. So, ano yung torque natin dito? We have 6 at saka 26. Opposite in direction, meaning, dito is 20, no? So, we have 20 times 10 to the 3, no? Times, ano naman yung C natin dito? We have, hindi 120. We have 0.06. no? Kasi radius man. Times j, the inner is pi over 2, outer is 0.06 to the power of 4 minus 0. Ila? 0.45 to the power of 4. So therefore, yung tau max natin dito, this is equal to, pwede pa calcu? 86, no? We have 86.23 MPa, no? To the power of 6 yan. Ayan. Now, tauman, taumin yung hinahanap sunod. Ano yung gagawin? Ratio lang natin, no? So we have tau max over tau min is just equal to C2 over C1. So tau max natin is 86.23. That is equal to 0.06 divided by 0.045. Makukuha natin yung tau min natin dito. So tau min, we have, ilan yan? 64? Ha? Ha? 64.67 MPa. Ayan lang, no? Very easy. How about B? Solve natin yung B. Ano yung gagawin natin sa B? Erase natin to, no? Ano yung hinahanap sa B? Ano yung? Okay, the diameter, no? Solid man. Given natin is, we have our tau. Tama? So, sige, sulat natin yung formula. Tau max. Tau max na yan, no? Kasi sabi dito yung allowed lang is 65. So, yung maximum is 65, no? So, we have tau max, TC over J. Ayan. So, this one here, T is, ano yung C natin? C is, that is D over 2 lang yan. Kasi D yung hinahanap, no? So, we have here, pi over 2. Ano naman yung C natin dito? That is D over 2 din, no? To the power of 4. This is our tau max. So, substitute lang natin. Given yung tau, which is 65, we have 65 times 10 to the 6 is equal to, ano naman yung T natin? Ano yung T natin dito? So, 6, no? 6. So, we have kilonewton, 6 times 10 to the 3 divided by times D over 2 over pi over 2 D over 2 to the power of 4. So, based dito na equation, makukuha natin si D. Yung D natin is, ila? 77.8 MPa, no? Times 10 to the 6? Ay! MPa, diameter pala to, no? Diameter. So, yung gamit natin dito, ay, mm na to. O, kinonvert nyo na. Pero dapat yung lumabas dito is naka-meters. Kasi naka-basic unit lahat. No? Okay, that is mm. That is sa portion na to. How about sa portion na to? Hinahanap din to. Kung i-cut natin to, ano yung torque natin dito? 6 pa din. So, the same yung torque, the same din yung stress, the same din dapat yung makukuha natin na D. So, isa-solve pa ba natin? Hindi na. The same lang naman yung lahat, no? So, ayan. D.